Below is a year-wise list of NEET questions for the chapter The Living World along with their answers. ICBN stands for International Congress of Biological Names, Indian Code of Botanical Nomenclature, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, Indian Congress of Biological Names. This is the NEET questions asked in the year 2007. The correct answer is C. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Explanation: it is a set of rules for naming plants scientifically to ensure consistent and universally accepted plant names. The book Genera Plantarum was written by Basie, Hutchinson, Bentham and Hooker, Engler and Prantl. The correct answer is Bentham and Hooker. The book Genera Plantarum was written by George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker. It is a foundation work in botany that provides a systematic arrangement of plant genera. Linnaeus evolved a system of nomenclature called mononomial, binomial, polynomial, vernacular. Answer B, binomial. Linnaeus created a system with two names, genus and species for each organisms. The term new systematics was introduced by A.P.D. Kendall, Bentham and Hooker. Julian Huxley, Linnaeus. Answer C, Julian Huxley. Julian Huxley introduced a new systematic focus on evolutionary relationships and genetics. Match column 1 with column 2 for housefly classification and select the correct options using the code given below. Column 1, column 2, family, order, class, phylum, Diptera, Arthropoda, Mucidae, Insecta. A4, B2, C1, D3. A3, B1, C4, D2. A3, B2, C4, D1. A4, B3, C2, D1. Family, Mucidae, order, Diptera, class, Insecta, phylum, Arthropoda. The correct answer is B. A3, B1, C4, D2. Taxon is the unit of group of species, genus, order, taxonomy. A taxon is a group of organism. Classification in taxonomy. D. Taxonomy. The term phylum was given by Haeckel, Theophrastus, Cuvier, Linnaeus. The term phylum was introduced by Ernst Haeckel in the 19th century to classify organisms based on their evolutionary relationship. A. Haeckel. The label of herbarium sheet does not carry information: height of the plant, local names, date of collection, name of the collector. Herbarium sheet record plant details but not height, as they focus on feature like name, date and collector. A. Height of the plant. A group of plants or animals with similar traits of any rank is taxon, order, genus, species. A group of plants or animals with similar traits at any rank, example species, genus or order. A. Taxon. A taxon is a taxonomic group of any ranking, a group of related families, a group of related species, a type of living organisms. A taxon refers to any rank in the taxonomic hierarchy such as species, genus, family or order. A taxonomic group of any ranking. Basic unit or smallest taxon of taxonomic classification is family, variety, species, kingdom. The smallest and basic unit of classification capable of interbreeding and producing fertile offspring. C. Species. Sequence of taxonomic category is phylum, order, class, tribe, family, genus, species. Division: class, family, tribe, order, genus, species. Class, phylum, tribe, order, family, genus, species. Division: class, order, family, tribe, genus, species. The sequence of taxonomic categories follows as hierarchical order division for plants, phylum for animals. Class, order, family, tribe, genus, species. D. Division: class, order, family, tribe, genus, species. Static concept of species was put forward by Darwin, Linnaeus, D. Candolle, Theophrastus. Proposed the static concept of species considering them as fixed and unchanging entities. B. Linnaeus. Match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct options given below. Column 1, column 2, herbarium. It is a place having a collection of preserved plants and animals. Key: a list that enumerates methodically all the species found in an area with a brief description aiding identification. Museum is a place where dried and pressed plant specimens mounted and seeds are kept. Catalog: a booklet containing a list of characters and their alternates which are helpful in identification of various taxa. A2, B4, C3, D1. A1, B4, C3, D2. A3, B4, C1, D2. A3, B2, C1, D4. Write C. A3, B4, C1, D2. Explanation: herbarium, a place where dried and pressed plant specimens mounted on seeds are kept. C. A booklet containing a list of characters and their alternate helpful in identification identification of taxa. Museum, a place with collection of preserved plants and animals. Catalogue, a methods, a list of species found in area with a brief descriptions aiding identification. The correct answer is C, A3, B4, C1, D2. Which one of the following belong to the family Musidae? Cockroach, grasshopper, housefly, firefly. The housefly Musca domestica belongs to the family Musidae in the order Diptera. This family includes flies with sponging mouth parts. C, housefly. In the taxonomic categories, which hierarchical arrangement in ascending order is correct? Animals. Kingdom, order, phylum, class, family, genus, species. Kingdom, order, class, phylum, family, genus, species. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Kingdom, class, phylum, family, order, genus, species. The correct ascending order of taxonomic categories for animals is species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. C, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Which of the following is less general in characters as compared to genus? Species, family, division, class. Species is the most specific rank, less general than genus. A, species. Which one of the following animals is correctly matched with its particular taxonomic category? Humans, primata family, housefly, musca order, cuttlefish, mollusca class, tiger, tigeris species. Tiger, Panthera tigeris. Tigeris correctly refers to the species. Other options mismatch taxonomic categories. For example, humans belongs to the order primates, not family. Housefly, musca is a genus, not an order. Cuttlefish belongs to the class Cephalopoda, not mollusca directly. D, tiger, tigeris species. The living organism can be unexpectedly distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for responsiveness to touch, growth and movement, interaction with the environment and progressive evolution. D, reproduction. This is because living organisms exhibit responsiveness to stimuli, interaction with the environment and possess the ability to evolve progressively over generation, which distinguish them from non-living things. C, interaction with the environment and progressive evolution. Biological organization starts with organismic level, atomic level, cellular level, submicroscopic molecular level. Biological organization starts at the molecular level, where biomolecules like DNA and proteins form the foundation of life. D, submicroscopic molecular level. Select the correctly written scientific name of mango, which was first described by Carolus Linnaeus. Mangifera indica Carl Linn, Mangifera indica, Mangifera indica Linn, Mangifera indica. The scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica, written in italics, with the genus Mangifera starting with a capital letter and the species indica in lowercase. The author's name Linn for Linnaeus is added at the end without italics. C, Mangifera indica Linn. Which of the following is against the rules of ICBN? Generic and specific names should be written starting with small letters. Handwritten scientific names should be underlined. Every species should have a generic name and a specific epithet. Scientific names are in Latin and should be italicized. According to the ICBN rules, the generic name must start with a capital letter, while a specific epithet starts with a small letter. Handwritten names are underlined and printed names are italicized. A, generic and specific names should be written starting with small letters. Nomenclature is governed by certain universal rules. Which one of the following is contrary to the rules of nomenclature? The names are written in Latin and are italicized. When written by hand, the names are to be underlined. The first word in a biological name represents the genus name and the second is a specific epithet. Biological names can be written in any language. Wrong. Names must be in Latin or Latinicized for universal use. Biological names can be written in any language. Linnaeus is credited with theory of biogenesis, discovery of microscope, discovery of blood circulation, binomial nomenclature, theory of biogenesis related to the Louis Pasteur, discovery of the microscope attributed to the Antony von Leeuwenhoek, discovery of blood circulation credited to William Harvey. Carl Linnaeus is credited with binomial nomenclature system. D, binomial nomenclature nomenclature. The common characteristics between tomato and potato will be maximum at the level of their genus, division, order, family. Tomato and potato share maximum similarities at the family level Solanaceae. D. Family. Which one of the following organism is scientifically correctly named, correctly printed according to the international rules of nomenclature and correctly described? E. coli. Full name Entamoeba coli, a commonly occurring bacterium in human intestine. Plasmodium falciparum, a protozoan pathogen causing the most serious type of malaria. Musca domestica, the common house lizard, a reptile. Felis tigris, the Indian tiger, well protected in Gir forest. Plasmodium falciparum is a protozoan causing several malaria. The name is scientifically corrected and follows nomenclature rules. Correct answer B. Plasmodium falciparum minus a protozoan pathogen causing most serious type of malaria. Species are considered as the lowest units of classification, artificial concepts of human mind which cannot be defined in absolute terms. Real basic units of classification, real units of classification devised by taxonomists. Species are considered the real basic unit of classification because they represent natural groups of organisms capable of interbreeding and producing fertile offspring. Correct answer C. Real basic unit of classification. Which one of the following is not a correct statement? T is a taxonomic aid for identification of specimens. Botanical gardens have collection of living plants for reference. Herbarium houses dried, pressed and preserved plant specimens. A museum has collection of photographs of plants and animals. Correct answer D. A museum has a collection of preserved plant and animal specimens, not just photographs. The statement in option D is incorrect. One of the most important functions of botanical gardens is that one can observe tropical plants there. They provide a beautiful area for recreation. They provide the natural habitat for wildlife. They allow ex situ conservation of germplasm. Correct answer D. Botanical garden allow ex situ conservation of germplasm, which refers to the preservation of plant species outside their natural habitat for research, conservation and education. Biosystematics aims at delimiting various taxa of organisms and establishing their relationships. The classification of organisms based on broad morphological characters. Identification and arrangement of organisms on the basis of their cytological characteristics. The classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on totality of various parameters from all fields of studies. Correct answer D. Biosystematics aims at classifying organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing the phylogeny by considering various parameters from all fields of study including morphology, genetics and behavior. Which one of the following accept is an exclusive characteristics of living things? Increase in mass by accumulation of material both on surface as well as internally. Increase in mass from inside only. Perceptions of events happening in the environment and their memory. Isolated metabolic reaction occur in vitro. Correct answer C. Perceptions of events happening in the environment and their memory is an exclusive characteristics of living things. Living organism can sense their environment and retain memory, a feature not found in non-living things. Please visit my channel playlist. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.